In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to actually use Waze, the best driving app, in just 5 minutes. Whether you're planning your daily commute or embarking on a road trip, Waze is here to make your driving experience smoother and more enjoyable. So let's dive right in and get started on mastering this incredible app. First things first, you'll need to download and open the Waze app on your smartphone. Waze is available on both iOS and Android platforms, so head over to your app store and search for Waze. Once you've installed it, go ahead and open the app. You'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface that's designed to guide you seamlessly through the setup process. Next, in order to provide you with the most accurate navigation possible, Waze will request access to your location. Make sure you allow location access and enable your GPS. This step is crucial because Waze relies on real-time data from your phone to navigate and provide updates on traffic conditions as they happen. Now it's time to enter your destination. At the top of the screen you'll see a search bar. Tap it and type in the address or location you want to reach. Waze will suggest several options as you type, and once you've found your destination, select it from the list. With your destination set, all you need to do is tap the Go Now button to start your journey. Waze will calculate the best route for you, taking into account real-time traffic data and anticipated conditions to ensure you reach your destination as quickly and safely as possible. As you make your way to your destination, be sure to heed both the voice instructions and the on-screen directions that the app provides. Waze is designed to guide you every step of the way, eliminating guesswork and making it easier for you to focus on the road. One of the standout features of Waze is its community-based approach. While driving, if you encounter traffic hazards or even see a police vehicle, you have the opportunity to report it. Simply tap the triangle icon with a plus inside it to alert other drivers of these conditions. Your reports contribute to keeping the Waze community informed and helps others avoid potential delays and issues. Finally, it's worth noting that Waze continuously adjusts your route based on real-time traffic information. If there's a sudden change in traffic conditions, Waze will automatically reroute you to ensure you're always on the best possible path. This feature saves time, reduces frustration, and makes your drives more efficient. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well equipped to make the most of your driving experience using the Waze app. Thank you for joining me today and happy travels.